Meaning of fictional.
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 Fictional. Fictional refers to something that is created by the imagination rather than based on reality. It can be used to describe characters, events, or entire stories that are not true or factual but are instead invented by a writer or artist. These works of fiction can be entertaining, thought-provoking, or even educational, but they should not be taken as accurate depictions of real life. Instead, they offer a creative interpretation or exploration of human experience and emotions. Examples include novels, short stories, films, and TV shows that feature made-up characters and plots.